Hey there, leaders. Welcome to a journey of transformation and growth. Are you ready to transform your leadership and take it to unprecedented heights? Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful declarations that can elevate your leadership game to the next level. These declarations are not just words, they are principles that, when embraced, can revolutionize the way you lead. Take a deep breath and let's dive in. Each declaration is a stepping stone towards becoming the leader you aspire to be. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Your team is always watching, and your actions set the tone for the entire organization. When you embody the values and work ethic you want to see in your team, they will follow suit. Lead by example, and your team will mirror your dedication and commitment. Transparency builds trust. It's the foundation of any strong team. By being open and honest, you create an environment where your team feels safe to express their thoughts and ideas. This openness fosters innovation and collaboration. Great leaders don't just delegate tasks, they empower their team members to take ownership and grow. Empowerment leads to a sense of responsibility and pride in their work. Encourage innovation and support their professional development. Invest in their growth, and they will invest in the success of the organization. The business world is constantly evolving. Change is inevitable, and how you handle it defines your leadership. Embrace change and be willing to pivot when necessary. Adaptability is a crucial trait for any leader. Your flexibility will inspire confidence in your team. When they see you navigating change with grace, they will feel more secure and motivated. Collaboration leads to creativity and better problem solving. When minds come together, great ideas are born. Create a culture where teamwork is valued and everyone feels their contributions matter. This sense of belonging drives engagement and productivity. A happy, healthy team is a productive team. Prioritize their well-being, and you'll see the results in their performance. Show empathy, provide support, and promote a healthy work-life balance. Understanding their needs and challenges builds loyalty and trust. The best leaders are lifelong learners. Never stop seeking knowledge and new perspectives. Stay curious, seek feedback, and continuously strive to improve. This mindset of growth and learning will keep you ahead of the curve. Your growth sets a powerful example for your team. Take a deep breath and feel the energy of these declarations infuse your leadership style. Feel the energy of these declarations infuse your leadership style. Let them guide you in every decision and interaction. You have the power to inspire and lead with purpose. Your leadership can make a profound impact on your team and organization. Thanks for watching, and remember, great leadership starts with you. Embrace these declarations and watch your leadership transform. Stay awesome and keep leading. Your journey to exceptional leadership begins now.